Meaning of ignominiously.
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 Ignominiously. Ignominiously means in a humiliating or disgraceful manner. When someone is said to have failed or lost ignominiously, it implies that they suffered a severe blow to their pride and reputation. The result of a loss or failure being described as ignominious suggests that it was particularly embarrassing or shameful, and that the person or group involved may have been subject to ridicule or criticism. In short, to fail or lose ignominiously is to suffer a humiliating defeat that damages one's reputation and self-esteem.